Ladies, gentlemen, welcome to a stream where I don't normally stream, so this is going to be interesting. I'm actually going to move the camera just a tad bit. Hello. Yeah, so this is a time where I don't normally stream, so it's going to be interesting. Really good going to walk away with that the notification there on there. Huh? Okay. Well, I'm just going to move you over again and then hope that I don't finally need to see you again. Okay, so we have some shit to do. Mostly we wanna mostly we wanna just clean some shit up here in the CPU. Shit, yeah, mostly we wanna clean up some shit. I need the window blind. Oh, now it's getting nice and dark. Push it. Push it. Fuck. Okay, push it. That's in my most comfortable place. Thing right there. Push it. So this is just even going to maybe a 1 hour stream or something like that. But anyways, cheers, ladies and gentlemen. That's good. Okay, so okay, so you might remember the CPU here, and I kind of abandoned it because scope creep. Yeah, scope creep. Well, I've decided to go back to it again to try to see if I can fix it. And one decision that I've come up with, if I can get my calculator up, I closed that one down. Oh, anyways, is to, instead of making it an, okay, so maybe I should talk about what the heck this is. So this CPU here is the same CPU that I made a C compiler for. I'm trying to make a C compiler for. It's not yet done. Even at this point, it's not even done yet. I need to turn up the fucking fan power, yeah. Else my computer's going to die. But yeah, well, I was trying to make an a fan, no, not a fan, a C compiler for, which I still haven't done. And yeah, this CPU is called the BES8, and there's a lot of scope creep here. So what I've decided to do now, let me get myself my calculator up and running, is because over here beforehand I had myself 16-bit. This was beforehand a 16 by 16 CPU, right? I actually also need to turn this one down a little bit, just so I don't need to hear that. But beforehand, this has been a 16 by 16 CPU. Now I've decided to make a 24 by 20 by 30 bits address. Yeah, 20 by 30, that's a lot. If you couldn't tell. But why specifically 20 by 30? Well, if we look into a calculator here, beforehand we had 16, which is about 64 kilobytes, right? Actually, it is 64 kilobytes. If we do 20, that's 1 megabyte. I don't really see any downside to that, so and also then it's not going to be like a half mixed fucking like 24 no sorry, not 24, 30-bit CPU and shit. So yeah, I've decided to make it a 20 by 24 address bus. And why 24? Actually, sorry, 32. 20 by 32 bit. And why specifically 32, sorry. Yeah, 20 by 32. It's because first of all, I am going to be making myself an register. An address register right here, as you guys can see. Maybe I should actually zoom a little bit in. And increase the font a little. Oh, fuck you. Yeah, we're going to make ourselves an address register. Maybe I should show us this one 20. 32 is it called? Yeah. And the reasoning we're doing that is mostly just so we don't need to waste as many banks on ROM. Then we can just, and actually I'm going to change the banking system a little bit. Alright, let me show you. So we're going to have this, maybe not that, maybe not that, maybe not that. Maybe some here. On this bank. But why specifically on this bank? Well, because this is not even going to be a bank anymore. All of these different things are now going to be banks. So for example, this one. And yeah, now I need to really quickly check. So this one, for example, we could turn into a 64 kilobytes. We could turn this one to 64 kilobytes over with. So this is, for example, 64 is 64 kilobytes of RAM or ROM, sorry. Where each bank going up has a new 64 and a new 64 and a new 64 and new 64 kilobytes all the time. While, for example, this one. Actually, let's increase it to 2 times 64. Well, for example, this one won't like have a banking system because IO doesn't need banks. So this will be on bank 0. Actually, we'll make it banked. Actually, let's not call this one static anymore. The stack range will also not be that one. And this one also will be banked. The general purpose, the memory will also be banked. Now this one, let's pump that up. So at least need to have those two. Let's do two. Wasn't that the wrong one? Yeah, that size seems good. The interrupt vector. The interrupt sector. And we could probably really quick give it another 64. Um, 201 to FFFF. Which, first of all, this will be able to make the user be able to like just state where in the program it needs to be at, and until also. Actually, let us really quickly not make the ROM be banked, because that actually seems like a bad idea. And let's increase it to like, how much does that take in all? That takes like to there. So we'll take a and then this will be banked all the time. Actually, let's make a portion here. F E F F F F. Well, we also have some ROM. What this is program ROM. This is just ROM. Which is from 0xFF00 to... I feel like I've done something wrong here. That's also because I have. I want to have 256 right here. So right here. Yeah, this is for... Yeah, Gucci. So this is now it. Why do we do it in this way? Well, let me just say to you that like, because like, as a program would be fun. Oh no, so maybe I should also state that this range here should also be banked. Just so, like, this won't be specifically program ROM, but for example, where you have like basic the character set, all those different things. That you really need. Now, what do we do with the caches? Because we at least have one cache here, which is about 1 kilobyte. Actually, 4 kilobytes. We don't have a specific range of it. So let's just, I guess, make it like inside of here. Inside general purpose memory. Location. Right here, and bank. How many banks do we have? We have... Where is our MB? That's 16. Let's bump that down to 8. right here actually. A1 FFF to A1 FFF. Actually, sorry, that's two. We need 2 bits for this. Maybe I should say the memory is in. Should I maybe make it words? 1 bytes. We'll make it bytes. So A, B, C, D. Yeah, so this needs to be D. And right here. Let me see. So we need to have ourselves a 4 kilobyte space in here in some bank. Why don't we just take the top here and like bank and like bank 2 or something like that. like just take the first like portion and just then like do it in bank 2. I actually think there's something, yeah. That one, yes. The VRAM. So variable memory, I kind of want to have some place for VRAM. Let's make it. Let's take up this space in bank 2. Yeah, because that wouldn't interfere with the cache. What if we just do this? That would not interfere with anything. Actually. Oh, sorry, yeah, it would. Let's throw it down on D. So just subtract there. What did I even say that like? How did the VRAM look like? Not that one. No. I'll just hide this. Thank you. How does zero work? So we have an X. Y, we have 2 bits for color, 1 layer, and 1 0. Maybe have a little bit of a better representation of it. Or what? I just don't think I have, no. Dang it. Okay, so we have a position X and Y, which we don't need. Because, like, we don't need to tell it what the position is. We need to just throw a byte onto, like... We just throw a byte into memory and just simply say, hey, here, take it. You don't need a position. you already have the position and address. So like I don't think we need a position, first of all. Secondly, we don't really need like the layer, maybe if we want to do double buffering, which I think I want to do in user side and not in. I don't want to do it in here. I don't want to let the video circuit like just say, yeah, you need to go there, and then just double my video RAM, so it would take like double the time. No. Like like maybe not. No. What kind of instructions do we have? Not that many. Okay. So yeah, we will not be doing a position. I think we wanna do a palette. Like I think I wanna do a 256 color palette where index 0 is null. It's no color, it's just transparent. Yeah, I actually think I'm gonna do that. And then you could like just simply load on your own palette and shit. I actually think I'm gonna do that. So I just reduced it down to 1 byte. Fuck yes! Okay, so now we only have 1 byte for all this. Actually, yeah, here it is. Holy shit! So, we don't need that. The layer index we don't need, and then the type, which we don't really need a type. So we just have 256 color palette right there. Like that should be enough color for every man, pretty much. And like you could split it up, like saying red gets this, green gets like this, and blue gets this. Like this is what x86 does, for example, for yeah, because then you could have 3 bits. I need to get my calculator now, because that's 7. That's 7 times 2 42 colors. Ha! Yeah. That's actually also an idea, maybe. "42 different colors." And actually 43 different colors, I actually think. No. But yeah. But yeah, you could do this. Interface it like this, or however you want it. Or you could stick with the predefined palettes. I think that's a great idea. I kinda also wanna why do I say 128 color palette? This needs to be up to 160. So the resolution is this. So how many pixels there need to do that flashbang right there? Times 144. That's 127 or 6C00 pixels. Oh, sorry, bytes we need. And how much is there here? I actually only think you could actually can it maybe do hex to decimal? I actually think that's correct. Oh fuck. Calculate. That's minus a bunch, but calculate decimal to hex. Is that's nearly 2 times? Oh yeah, 2 times. We don't need that. So if we take this as the base address, why is there just a random 1 there? We don't need that one. We don't need that bit to be set. Yeah, and then we copy the exact same address here. Now we need to do some calculations. So beware of that. I'm going to be wrong. So that's A. That's C, and that's 0, 0. So this should now be minus 8. Did I say 8? Oh fuck. I didn't mean to say 8. Oh, it was because it was meant to be 8 there. Okay, so now we have the video memory good to go. Why not also just throw that in bank 2, I guess. Like bank 2 that everything is at. Like seriously, everything is at bank 2. and it's not even intentional, it's just me. Maybe I should move something away from bank 2. So around 32 kilobytes of video memory. Or was it 26 kilobyte, give or take, of video memory? That's great. 4 kilobytes of cache memory, and then the rest is general purpose, which is around 16, maybe 20 kilobytes. Yeah, I think actually, yeah. That should be enough for bank 2. So in bank 2 you have 20 kilobytes ish. So yeah. And yes, this is an old school trick. Don't worry, I know that. The memory... Did I even write memory right correctly? Yeah, I did. Okay, cool. Oh shit, it gets dark over there. So stack pointer. Yeah, that can... Yeah, we only need a stack pointer with 16 bits. We need a program counter on 32 bits. Because I want to be able to make the user like expand the memory capabilities, and I want to be able to combine these registers in a way. ABX, ABE, CDE, no, ABX, which is 32 bits, which is the ABX is AX and BX combined I think that's correct. Please roast me in chat if that's not true. If the DX and the CX, I totally just fucked that one up. This CDX gesture. Talking about CDs, I kind of want to make a CD driver. Like, I don't need to do scope creep again because, like, yes, I will fucking get depressed and shit. But yeah, like, how cool would it be to have yourself a fucking like CD driver? How cool would that be? Like, seriously, like just meeting up with your computer, just in like CD driver. And like, I think this would just simply be for hobbyists. Like, seriously, like just, and it will probably never be somewhere. They have a base point on this. If not, then let's copy with. I know that I have it in like code. But don't have a list here. So the base pointer. So the base pointer BP register will be an 16 bits. I actually think it's time to like just actually let's really quickly move all these NB to just in. Well, should I have a lot here? Okay. Alright, so the thing itself, the instructions themselves will be 2 bytes long. A and B before the instruction argument the instruction argument identifier 1 and 2 here we have a table. Fuck my shit, where's my water? There, thank you. Cheers. A 32-bit status register. Let's bump that down into just 16 bits. We don't need a ppm. Oh, we already had these CDX and then and ABX. And actually, I actually think 16, 18, da. So yes, I know I've said that General purposed a-bit register. GP will now be general purposed. That was just a shortcut that I did back in the day, just to get it done faster. Yeah, so that is a lie. So let's say the ABX will now be here. And let's call that one there, dash 0000. Right there. And then this one we'll call number 1 there. And why do we do this? Well, just so I can expand it later, I guess. And again, let's not do that, but let's do it like this. The XY register so then we have a few R registers. So we really need to cram a lot of things now into just 8 bits of storage. Because we only have 8 bits of storage, so we need to cram a lot of shit into 8 bits. And I think how pushing a register is going to work is that we push the high part first. Oh yeah, how are we actually going to push a register when we are... Yeah, I think we're just going to push the high part and the low part later. Oh shit, my hair is getting fucked. Shit. Okay. But that also means that we now also have ourselves 2 more things. Well, at least 1 more thing, because we have ourselves an immediate 16-bit value. But now we also have an immediate 8-bit value. Each memory address is a word, aka 16 bits / 2 bytes. Done. Fix the problem. Of course, that didn't fix fully the problem, but it fixed my problem. So now we have. Okay, wait. I also think we should have ourselves like a long address. A long address. Here the value will be the value in the address. Let's actually also state how many bytes they take up, I think. 2 bytes. 2 bytes. 1 byte. Another 1 byte. This one here is 4 bytes. Yeah, 4 bytes. Imagine that. Which means that we can take an address that's over 16-bit. Now we can go all the way up to 32 bits of unusable RAM. "32 bits of unusable RAM. Fuck yeah. You gotta love it. It's a memory layout here now. Which ports are controlled by the... So how many disks do we have? We have from A to F in disks. So VRAM layout? Holy shit. Where do you see 10 expansion ports? You don't say that the user ports also are expansion ports, because I don't want the user ports to be expansion ports. That was just that would just be dumb. But hey, I am also dumb. BIOS interrupts. BIOS interrupt is a way to communicate. Wow. Really, I did not know. I'm right now roasting myself whilst I'm cleaning up my own shit. But I didn't know that a BIOS I didn't actually know that a BIOS interrupt could communicate. Wow. Fuck. Yeah. Let me see. So the screen circuit containing 5 registers. They can be read/written to. Read. Yeah, read/written for the cursor and other things. I also think, like in some styles of BASIC, you could also just simply state cycle language, PASM. You could say out, for example. Saying out, or saying for some move. Move 0 hex. What was that again? It was D20 000 X there. And you can just simply do this. That was my intention. But hey, at least now we got ourselves a word, so we can now do some more shit. Woo! We now do some more shit with the color. So what should we do? I don't actually know. How many colors would how many colors could you get? Oh fuck, oops, sorry. I'm sorry. But yeah, how many colors could you get by just like doing this? No. Over 60. Over. There's over 4 billion. What? What the fuck? I didn't actually know that. There's over 4 billion different kinds of colors. If you add alpha onto it. Shit. No. Even though I could, that doesn't mean I would. Oh shit, I'm like down. And I really need to get myself a light here. Like just that shines upon me and blinds me so I can't see anything, and then oh no, that wouldn't be a good idea. But yeah, I really need to get myself shit, this I have too long up. My legs are too long. I'm actually beginning to get tired of actually being 2 meters and 2 meters stuff tall. Well, not quite 2 meters yet, but like I'm close. I hate being 2 meters. average Danish person hates being 2 meters. Like seriously, I am nearly fucking 2 meters tall. But yeah, I actually nearly am. Like, do I even have a thing of scale? I have a base. But that's the only thing for scale. This is my base, right? It goes about up to my hips. And no, this is not a full. This is not a full size base. I actually think like I actually went to the doctor here yesterday, I think it was, and like just no, not yesterday, 2 days ago, I think it was. Where actually where I actually got the numbers of this, and they said, yeah, you're 180. Well, I was 180 for like 4 years ago, so what the fuck happened? Yeah, so ladies and gentlemen, don't get yourself a not straight back. Else you're gonna look like me and not be 180 for like 4 years. I actually think people wouldn't like to be 180, especially overseas, because like, aren't people fucking short over there? Like I've heard of people like being like 6 feet, and I'm 6 feet, and my family is like a head higher than me. In feet and inches at least. and 2 meters, right? That's about 6 feet 7 inches. Take that. Like, and there's even like that's fucking, like, I don't know how people can do this, but like, there's apparently people that have like, there's like 2 meters and 10 centimeters or something like that, and like, I need to like just, yeah, hello, yes, yeah, yeah, yes. Like at that point, I'm feeling like an ant. Like at that, like, yeah, at that point, I'm like just simply like feel like an ant. Because like, yeah, at that point, I'm like an ant. Imagine how people feel like with me, and when they actually need to look up to me. Shit. I actually know someone who is like half the height of me, and like, I don't, like, I don't know how you can be like no fucking like thing like against her, but like it's like, yeah, like I need to nearly like, I need to bow down to like nearly hear what she's saying. Which is like, which is okay enough, I guess, like, but it gets illustrating at times. Like sometimes it gets illustrating because like it's like you're just going around there and just talking, and you just, yeah, yeah, hello, yeah, yeah, on my back. But again, no offense to anyone who's small. We still love you. I guess some of us do. Some other people are just fucking fucked up. Um. Was that all fucking okay? Thank you. I don't even have. I don't want to even try to like write that. Fuck. I know I was not taking a shit right there. That was just physical pain. Shit. It's empty. Are you still hot? Yeah, fuck. I think you heard the answer. Is this hot? Oh fuck! I think you heard the answer. Yeah, I think. I actually think that thing I actually experienced that once. Like just like seriously, like just me touching something. Is this hot? Oh fuck yeah! Fuck, now I got burn marks. Fuck. Like it has happened to someone. Like if it hasn't fucking happened to you, I don't know what you're fucking doing with your life. For real, man. Like, are you just staying inside and nothing doing? Don't spill, don't spill, don't spill, don't spill, don't spill, thank you. Now the question is the water, yeah, yeah, the water's still hot. Shit. My next. Oh, what that fucking animal was, but Rasmus was Rasmus. I didn't just ask for my spoon. Now, don't spill anything, because I don't want to clean my fucking table at like 3 o'clock. I don't have about an hour's time. I actually also said that this would be an hour stream, so well, I think that was it. Goodbye, ladies and gentlemen. Bye.